Hello learners, today we learn how to add caption in table. So let's start it. First of all, we write doc type html html doc type html. Now we write html tag. Now we write body body body. We add here head tag also, head tag. Now we make a title of it, so use title element, a title element, title element. To make a title of it, what we title it? We title it caption in table. Now our title is ready. We see in web page the caption in table. Now we write our body. Our body, what we write? We have write table element. Write it table element, table tag. Now we write here caption element to make a caption. Now write here bill summary. Now caption is ready. We see in bill summary. Our caption is ready. Now we write table row element. Table row. We use a table datas. Use some table datas. Table data element. Table data. We write yes. Here add another table data element. Table data. Yes. We're gonna electricity. We write here another element, another TD element, table data element. We write here internet. Yeah. Now our first row is ready. We write here second row. Write table data here, TD element, table data. Right here our gas bill 500. Right here another table data element, our electricity bill 1500. We write here another bill, so we write TD element, internet bill 500. Now our table is ready. Gas, electricity, internet bill. There is no border, so here a border attribute to make this table a border. Border 1. Use here another attribute, cell spacing attribute. Cell spacing 1 0. Now we see in our caption and our table is ready. Now we can use this caption in your HTML writing. I think you will learn better. For more learning videos, please subscribe my channel and comment what you wanted. Bye, best wishes.